Okay, we have a candidate here. The best adventure you want to happen.
I want to go through the Great Sphinx.
Great space.
Sphinx.
Space.
Sphinx.
I want to
get
pyramids.
superpowers.
Oh,
And I wanna
the
see
Great Sphinx.
The
Okay.
pharaohs.
I want to get superpowers.
Very cool.
I want to
No,
get.
a real adventure.
That's a real adventure
Yeah.
because you'll have adventures. You'll have adventures with your superpowers.
Well,
right?
maybe in the future you'll have a time, a different dimension device. So I would go to Lego Dimension.
I would. In the future, there would be a dimension device, but not like Eli. And like you could warp dimension guys and make them alive, and I would warp Star Wars dimension into the real world. But like
Okay.
nobody would be able to get hurt since like the lasers would go through them because like they weren't from the same dimension, so they couldn't be affected. So they would be invincible.
Okay, one Isabel.
But then
Your
we
best
couldn't shoot
adventure
them
you're
either.
gonna have.
Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Yeah, exactly.
You and I are gonna go to Disneyland.
So
Can I
wanna
go?
to Disneyland.
It would
Yes.
be the best
Thanks.
3D